Hello, welcome back in this Dicom to print demo. The first time we just extracted here the mandibula from the cranial, and now we will have to extract the teeth from this mandibula. To make that possible, first thing, we will create a new mask. It will be the lower jaw teeth. Okay, it will be red. I can change the color, of course. It's not needed. I will hide my volume because I don't need it. To have this here is enough. And we will work essentially in the axial view. So I will change my view layout, okay, to be concentrated in this area. I will just synchronize the view to be sure I will be positioned on the lower jaw. And now we will use the teeth segmentation module. We'll first work with the multiple teeth, work with the lower jaw, and I will just mark a tooth to segment it. Let's say I will start from here up a little. To be sure to not be too high, I can check here. I'm perfect. So I will mark this, and this. And now I'm going down a little or up a little. Yes, this, this, this. Oh, this one, this one. And let's say apply. Dicom to print will now analyze all the area I've just marked, and it will segment all those areas depending of the density, because teeth are more dense than the bone. It's important to choose here lower or upper jaw because it will give to Dicom to print to D2P the direction to follow to find the roots. It will also automatically recognize the one root tooth from the several root teeth. So everything is calculating. It's not taking too much time. Of course, it's quite automatic. The positioning of the markers are important because if I'm going too high with the width, the mouse wheel, I can put a point on the upper jaw, will completely false the result. I hope I've not made it. And the other thing can be produced is because some teeth are in contact with the other jaw, maybe it will take a little part of the upper teeth jaw. We'll see that, oh, it was the case here. But as you can see, all my teeth have been selected. I will now apply the tooth selection. If I'm coming here, I can see the upper teeth have been selected. I can, of course, into Dicom to print, ask for the removing tool to say, okay, let me remove roughly this part who is not from my actual teeth. Turn that to there. Okay. The white area shows me the interconnection, I will say, the common parts between my mandibula and my lower jaw teeth. What I will do now is to ask freeform to make a Boolean operation. The result will be my mandibula. It will be subtracted by the lower jaw teeth and set. Dicom to print will create a new mask with the result of the operation. Here it is. There is a lot of noise because they are quite in contact one with the other. So to clean this, I will just ask freeform to make some morphology operation. To say I will erode by 1 pixel all the geometry here. It means it will remove all the small parts. And now I will delete, same with 1 point, all the geometry. It's removing every small part. I can now use again my tool to say, okay, let me remove all the floating ones. There. Here in front. This is a metallic insert who have been placed on the teeth of the patient. Let's say here. Okay, this part. And the last one. This small one. Perfect. Now I have my mandible without the teeth. I will generate a 3D model with that. Freeform is creating a mesh. And why not? I will make the same with the lower jaw teeth. Pretty. Again, Dicom to print is creating the mesh. On my 3D objects, if I display all of them, I have my mandible with the teeth, but I can hide my teeth to see the result with the mandible without the teeth. Perfect. I can now go in File, let's say, save my model. It's mandibula. Okay. Perfect. And now I will save it not as a 3D CT model, but no, yes, cancel. I will just let it like this. In the next demonstration, we will see how to import that into Freeform, work on it, and create a cutting guide somewhere here. Thank you for your attention, and let's following the demo. Bye-bye.